CirrusMD is a HIPAA-compliant, text-based virtual care platform that lets members connect to a doctor in seconds from a phone or computer. The following video will help you register and begin using CirrusMD. To get started, download the CirrusMD app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone. If you are using a computer, visit CirrusMD.com and click Sign In near the upper right corner of the page, then click the Register Here link. To sign up through your smartphone, open the app and tap the Register link below the Continue button. Next, fill in the required information. If you need help, tap the chat bubble to chat to CirrusMD customer support. Tap Continue, and an email will be sent to verify your identity. Check your inbox for an email with the subject line, CirrusMD Invitation Instructions, and select Accept Invite. If you don't see the email in your inbox right away, check your spam folder. Once in the CirrusMD app, tap the boxes to agree to standard terms and agreements. Then tap Continue. Next, create your password and confirm it meets the password rules. On the mobile app, you'll be prompted to set a 4-digit passcode for faster mobile login. If your device has biometrics, you can activate this feature. This is an optional step, but it will allow for easy access when logging in. From your PC, you will only use your password to access CirrusMD, so these last steps will not appear on the web experience. If prompted, select Allow to receive notifications. You are now registered and ready to chat with a doctor. Thanks for setting up your CirrusMD account and trusting us with your virtual care needs.